Manipur da thokliba hingsha gi thoudok Asida Government of India na Tuminna Leisiliba se Loilam Sandokpagi Mami Aduni haina Manipur gi MP Dr. Angomcha Bimol Akoijam na House da thamkhre ngarang ahing House adjourn tawgadaba mekup khara khakta ngairaba matamda Manipur gi MP Dr. Angomcha Bimol Akoijam da wangang bagi khudong chaba pirakhe India ke President Draupadi Murmu na House thamkhiba wafam sing nainabaga mari lainana phamkhiba mefam maduda Bimol Akoijam hai President ke warolda Manipur ke wafam nathairam badu chumna ke wahai khak nathairam banate Manipur miyambu nathairam bani haina lawe hauzik Manipur ke miyoi lising humfurom relief camp ta chahi ama hena awaba khangdana lakhle Irang asina maram oiraga miyoi chani hena laikhidre state ase civil war amagi mawongda kanglup ari masage lam kannaba gidamak khutlai paiduna amana amabu laman khumnaduna leire Fibam asi yauraba fawba Prime Minister Narendra Modi di wamachet ama fawba ngangdana tumina leire President na House da thamkhiba warul adudasu Manipur ge wafam amata pankide thawong asi lebak amana masagi mi singda chathaba yamna luzadaba thawong amani hainasu mahakna House da thamkhe Manipur da thokliba Irang State Government of India ge mathau natte khanbadage Tuminna leishilliba haina hangladuna Bimol Akoijam na makhata na hai Asok Chakra Fangkraba Measure Laishram Jotin Manipurine Measure Ngangum Joy Data Lebak Asigi Chap Chaba Mathau Pangthokpagi Damak Bir Chakra Fang Kibane Adubo Hauzik Manipur da thokliba Irang Asida India Lengakna Tuminna leishilliba Sina Takpade Lebak Asigi Damak Kathokpa Amaga Loinana Tawkhiba Thabak Sing Adu Ekai Khumnadre Haibane India lengakna chathariba thawong asidi lebak asigi mingchat purakhiba Merikom Sarita Kunjarani Mirabai Chanu amadi culture gi tomthin oina leiriba Ratan Thiam amasong Indian cinema ge masak utliba aribam Shyam Sharma na chingba sing ekai khumnadabane karigumba makoi sing asida ekai khumnaba leirabade House asida natraga President ge address ta Manipur ge Irang asigi wafam puthok lamgadabane haina mahakna phongdokhe India na ning tamba chahi humfutara manga suraba fawba Loilam Sandokpagi Mami Adu Manipur da kokhandriba karigino ngasisu awang nungpok lamdam asi India ge textbook manung chalhanba ngamdre masina maram oiraga awang nungpok lamdam asi tongan bani haina lore Amaromda hauzik Manipur da thokliba Irang asida India lengakna Tuminna leishilliba asi matam amage Loilam Sandokpagi mawong adu makha chatharakpani haina lawe Manipur da miyoi lising humpu relief camp ta leiriba amade miyoi kaya sikhiba adugi matangda kari leibagi haina India lengakna phongdoraklabade mahak Tuminna legani haina Dr. Angomcha Bimol Akoijam na makhatana phongdokhe
A nationalist party like the BJP will feel comfortable with their silence on the tragedy of Manipur. Keep your hands on your heart and think about the 60,000 people who are linguisting in relief camps. And those mothers, those widows, think of them. And then you talk about nationalism.
Point is made. He made
Only
his point.
then we will understand what this tragedy means. And Mr. Chairman, the hurt, the anger has thrown a nobody like me to be part of this temple of democracy. Bidding the BJP cabinet minister think about the pain. If you hear an anxiety, anguish and pain in my voice, please go back and see those 60,000 people linguisting in the relief camp. Don't talk about partition remembrance till you bring that. I would keep quiet the moment the Prime Minister opened his mouth and the Nationalist Party says that Manipur is part of India and we care for the people of that state. Only then I will accept what is nationalism in our face. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.